Not every day do you meet someone who has spent more than a quarter of the century in the organization. But here at Maytronics, there are those who grow with the company and alongside it. Meet Karen. For 27 years, she's been a part of the beating heart of Maytronics. Started straight after college and has become one of the key figures in managing the production departments. Over the years, she has gained knowledge, experience, and most importantly, a lot of great people around her. She brings all of that from home, from a small town located in the north of the country. In recent years, she moved to the business division, and today she manages customer service for Israel, a role that requires professionalism, patience, and love for people. For her, every customer is a whole world, and the goal to provide each person with precise, personalized service at the highest possible level. Believing that there is always something new to learn, that's her personal motto. Thank you, Karen, for 27 years of excellence and for a professional and personal journey that is a true inspiration to us all.